Whoa, look how fast they're going.
5, 6, 11.
Is it a good gap?
That was 7. Now let's start going. Go. Samuel.
They're ahead a little bit.
I was about to say, where's Mommy and Daddy?
Daddy's right here.
Yeah, so where's Mommy and Samuel?
They're faster than a speeding bullet.
Yeah. They're a speeding bullet.
Or speeding train, or speeding plane.
They're faster than our chain. We need to be faster than their chain. And we need to catch up to their chain.
Yeah.
So now let's get up.
All right, ready to go?
Yep.
You're doing amazing. You're doing great. Good job, Isaiah. Good job. Good pedaling. Good pedaling.
Let's go.
Go, go, go. You're doing a great job. See if you can wait for us with that map up there. It's a beautiful day.
Have a nice one.
You too. Good job, Samuel. Keep going, keep going. Don't stop now. Keep going, keep going.
Daddy.
Good job, Isaiah. Don't stop now. Keep going. It'll make some speed up that big hill. Go fast up that hill.
No, I'm gonna walk it up.
Oh, okay.
But it would need some help to
There. You see Mommy going up the big hill? You can keep going.
continue.
Fast?
Yeah, I can't go that fast. You just even remember that I got hurt on me.
I'm sorry. I hear you saying that you felt like I was going too fast.
And I got out when I came off like that.
And I hear you feel like you're saying that I forgot that you fell down and hurt your knee.
Yeah. So this we could go a little slower.
Does that make you feel sad or something else?
It makes me feel like you're running away from me.
I'm really sorry about that. I understand that you feel sad because I was going too fast and you felt like I was not remembering about your sore knee because you fell down.
Daddy, I see how it stops.
Somewhere in that, like,
Look,
that
when I do that, it pull this thing closer. See, look, it pushes it closer. And that means then it pushes this thing closer too. And then it touches the wheel, and then it stops.
So you figured out how your brakes work.
Yeah. And the second one is this way.
That's really good thinking, Isaiah. I'm really proud of you for thinking about your brakes.
Look, it goes all the way this way, and it pulls that locking board the way, right? And look, and then it goes all the way to here, and then is that and stops it. So look. Now I'm gonna start doing this.
Oh, it's tired. Just taking a break.
Okay. I'm walking the same speed as you now. Not too fast, not too slow. Is that better?
Not like video.
What was your favorite part? Sushi, bicycling, or playground?
Playground. Just after we get Ruben, because Ruben has a
Want to
nap.
see a dog that can't move?
Could. Ugh, forgot. When Mommy and Samuel come a little bit slower, could you tell Mommy that
Come on, Joe.
Are you telling me that you feel like Mommy and Simon went too fast and didn't wait enough?
yeah, but I mean what you look, is there a dog on the bike?
Now you can bike?